If you're overweight and trying to get back in shape, do not worry. We have two incredibly magical drinks to solve all your weight issues within a week. Hey there viewers, welcome to another amazing video of Health Shots. Are you ready to check out these weight loss drinks? Let's dive straight into the world of healthy beverages. Number 1. Cumin and Lemon Weight Loss Drink. The first and the most effective recipe on this list is of roasted cumin and lemon drink. This drink is particularly popular for weight loss as its ingredients do not have any side effects or aggravate the symptoms of another illness present. Anyone from any age group can consume this drink. In this video, we will share the recipe of this miraculous weight loss drink, but first, let us tell you the benefits of cumin and why it is such a famous medicinal herb. Cumin and its benefits. Cumin is a popular spice used in cuisines across the world. It has been used since ancient time in Ayurveda to treat several diseases. Besides being used in food, cumin seeds are known for their medicinal properties. This herb is particularly famous for its fat-burning properties. Researchers have found that cumin gives an excellent boost to metabolism. It also lowers cholesterol levels and decreases blood sugar levels considerably. Because of a unique ingredient named thymoquinone, a chemical known for its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, cumin is used in various weight loss recipes. Along with the antioxidant and detoxifying properties, cumin helps the body to be responsive to insulin and glucose that regulates blood sugar levels. Do you know any of the benefits of cumin? Let us know in the comment section. Recipe to make cumin and lemon weight loss drink. To make the fat-cutting cumin drink, take around 1 tablespoon of whole cumin and toast them lightly in a preheated pan. Roast the seeds for 3 minutes and then add around 300 ml of water to the pan. Remember not to roast the seeds for a longer time as it may result in a more bitter taste in the drink. Watch the water in the pan come to a boil. The water should have a greenish or yellowish color. When the water changes its color, it is time to turn the heat off. Wait for the water to cool down a little, and just when it's mildly warm, transfer the water along with the seeds to a blender and blend it properly. Shift the blended mixture into a glass without straining the contents. You can now add a pinch of pink salt or black salt according to your taste. The last ingredient would be 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice. It is preferable to have this drink while still warm for maximum benefits. This drink needs to be consumed on an empty stomach first thing in the morning. You can have your breakfast 45 minutes after consuming this drink. With regular use of this drink for 5 consecutive days, you'd notice a remarkable difference in your weight. Let's find out who should avoid this drink, but before that, subscribe to our channel if you're getting value from this video so far. Who should avoid this drink? Generally, this drink can be used by everyone, but people who are allergic to cumin and those with low blood pressure issues should avoid having this drink. Number 2. Pineapple, cucumber and ginger drink for weight loss. The second drink for weight loss consists of some unique ingredients: cucumber, pineapple and ginger. But before unveiling the recipe for this incredible weight loss and detoxifying drink, let's check out the health benefits of all the constituent ingredients. Cucumbers. Cucumber, a fruit widely confused as a vegetable, are high in nutrients and antioxidants. Cucumber have a low calorie count and they contain a fair amount of water-soluble fiber, making them an effective ingredient for weight loss and promoting hydration. In addition to weight loss and the antioxidant properties, cucumber are known to reduce blood sugar levels in the body and improve the body's digestive functions. Pineapple. Pineapple is an incredible choice for adding taste to your weight loss drinks. Not only does pineapple taste good, but it also has fat-cutting properties. It is highly beneficial for slimming down the waistline, and the best part about this fruit is that it is readily available throughout the year. Ginger. Ginger has been used since ancient time to treat a wide range of diseases, such as cold, nausea, arthritis, headaches, and hypertension. It is an essential part of the Ayurvedic medicines used to treat nausea, bloating, and unnecessary swelling in the body. Ginger has inflammation-reducing properties and some element that also suppresses the appetite. Therefore, ginger is essential for weight loss recipes and drinks. Recipe to make the fat cutter cucumber, pineapple, and ginger drink. Take 1 regular sized cucumber or 2 cucumbers if they are small in size. Do not peel the cucumber. Cut them into pieces and put them into your blender. The next ingredient is pineapple. Add 1 cup of fresh pineapple into the blender. If pineapple is not available, you can substitute it with 2 kiwis. Next and the last ingredient to this drink is ginger. Take half an inch of ginger, cut it into small pieces and add it to the blender along with other ingredients. Add around 750 ml of water and blend the drink until all the pieces are evenly blended and easy to drink. Shift the blended mixture into a glass without straining the contents. You can also add freshly squeezed lemon juice to the drink, but remember, this is a no salt, no sugar drink, so nothing else can be added. This mixture will give you 2 servings. Half of it is to be consumed on an empty stomach first thing in the morning. The second serving is to be taken before bedtime. You can have breakfast an hour after drinking this weight loss drink. Try this for 15 consecutive days and see your weight coming down magically. These drinks have been proven successfully in quickening the weight loss process. However, you have to be a little careful about your diet afterwards. Watch this video if you want to know how to get rid of your double chin. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more videos on how to lose weight fast.